Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Bitcoin wallet. First, select a reliable wallet type, like a hardware or software option. Then, download and install your chosen software wallet on your device. It's crucial to create a strong, unique password for security. Remember to back up your recovery phrase, typically 12 to 24 words, and store it safely offline. This phrase is your ultimate safeguard if you ever lose access to your wallet. To receive Bitcoin, first locate your unique receiving address in your wallet. This address is a long string of letters and numbers, often presented as a convenient QR code. You'll share this address with the person sending you Bitcoin. Once they initiate the transfer, confirm the transaction details. You'll then wait for network confirmations, typically 3 to 6, before the funds are fully available in your wallet. When you're ready to send Bitcoin, open your wallet and select the Send option. Carefully enter the recipient's Bitcoin address into the designated field. Accuracy is paramount here. Next, specify the exact amount of Bitcoin you wish to transfer. Always review all transaction details, including the address and amount, very carefully before confirming the transfer. Once confirmed, the transaction will be broadcast to the network. Maintaining strong security is vital for your Bitcoin wallet. Always keep your wallet software updated to the latest version to benefit from security patches. Enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. Be extremely wary of phishing attempts and only access your wallet through official channels. Most importantly, never, ever share your private keys or recovery phrase with anyone. These are the keys to your funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.